Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 most expensive mansion owned by popular footballers. Number 1. Didier Drogba. Didier Drogba owns a mansion which is 8,600 square feet in landmass. The house was built in 2007 and the total cost of the house was $21 million, and after 13 years the house boasts the net worth at present is $90 million. The magnificent mansion has 8 bathrooms, 7 spectacular bedrooms, specialized rooms for kids and a separate room made for trophies. Number 2. David Beckham. David Beckham is a retired footballer. He was among the most popular and richest footballer of his time. His palace was built back in 1999. The palace cost him $20 million at that time. Now you can imagine and guess the price of the palace. At present, his palace has been named as Beckham Palace. The palace houses a recording studio, chapel and a football ground. Number 3. Wayne Rooney. Wayne Rooney's home is located in Cheshire. The magnificent and eye-catching building has a price tag of $17.83 million and was built back in 2004. The construction of the base of the building cost $1.4 million. At that time. The house features an exotic pool, Grecian style statues, a flawless private theatre and under-soil heating for lawns. Number 4. Frank Lampard. Frank Lampard owns a 2-story Surrey mansion that is built on 19,800 square feet landmass. The mesmerizing mansion features 9 bedrooms, an exotic swimming pool, 12 bathrooms, a guest house and a tennis court. The mansion cost him over $10.5 million. His house looks extremely beautiful from the exterior look. Number 5. John Terry. John Terry owns a $7 million mansion which is extremely beautiful and of course expensive as well. He sold his 9-bedroom house to buy this mansion. John Terry always attracts attention to his house selling and making hug profits from them. He sold his house to Sultan bin Muhammad Al Nahyan this year itself and extracted $16.3 million profit from the sale. Number 6. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo's mesmerizing mansion is situated in Madrid, Spain. He bought this house back in 2004 and this place costed him $6 million. The house houses a beautiful aquarium, a gym, a private theatre, a sauna and an exotic pool. He used to live here when he was at the height of his career and was playing for Real Madrid. Number 7. Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi has built his exterior look of his house similar to a football court. The above picture illustrates the exterior look of his house. The mansion houses a pool, private theatre, gym, indoor football court, an amazing spa. His luxurious and eye-catching house was, when purchased, was $5 million. Number 8. Mario Balotelli. The player has rented the house at present for $13,495. When Mario Balotelli bought this house, it cost him $4.8 million. The mansion houses a pool, private home, cinema, walls full of story of the football player. Number 9. Andres Iniesta. Andres Iniesta built the house back in 2005 and it cost him $4.6 million. The house has been reported haunted and the player has put it for sale now. The mansion has 5 bedrooms, a chapel and a swimming pool. He has also inscribed his name, Iniesta, on one of the walls. Number 10. Ricardo Isaacson dos Santos Leite Kaka. Ricardo Isaacson dos Santos Leite Kaka bought his house at $3 million. The mansion features a swimming pool, gym, car garage for 6 cars. The mansion is located in Madrid. The house is luxurious and magnificent, also upgraded with high-tech equipment. They are all the owners of the most stunning and expensive mansions. They earn a lot and use them in a very efficient and effective manner. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.